Hi there, I'm Roel, and today I would like to show you how 3D scanning can support you to reproduce unavailable spare parts in the field of maintenance, repair and overhaul. MRO is an often overlooked but also an essential part to ensure facilities, equipment, systems and tools are running, stocked, maintained and safe to use. As maintenance is a planned routine and you make an inventory of parts that need to be replaced and maintained. But sometimes the parts that need to be replaced are no longer available due to disappeared suppliers and no drawings are available. The lack of these spare parts can lead to risky downtime. It is important to reproduce this part as quick as possible to reduce the downtime, and here's where the 3D scanning can support you to make parts quickly available again. Let me show you this by using the ZEISS How-to. Let's take it and make it. Here we have an impeller that needs to be replaced due to wear and damage. This part is no longer available and needs to be reproduced. The first step we need to do is to scan the part. With the ZEISS How-to we can go wherever we want to go, on site, in production or in confined spaces. Next to its portability, the ZEISS How-to has a big measuring volume that helps us to capture data very easily. You will see that we have some deep pockets here, which we can scan with a single laser line. I can now turn the part and scan the bottom side to create the complete part. It is important that you make a complete copy of your part and use a 3D scanner that can capture all detail you need on the part. Specific details are something you cannot create afterwards, so if you cannot scan it, you cannot reproduce it. Elements like damages we do not need, and these can be deleted. After we have scanned the part, we can polygonize it. This will create a complete mesh.
In the ZEISS reverse engineering software, we can now start and create a complete CAD file of this part by creating all the needed elements.
In a later stage, we can trim the elements. Step by step you see the final shape coming. A very strong tool in the ZEISS is creating free-form surfaces in an accurate way. We can use this function on the blades of the impeller. When we have finished the complete process, we have our CAD file and we can export this for reproduction. So, this should give you a good insight in how to use 3D scanning to reproduce unavailable spare parts and reduce the downtime in MRO. For more how-tos, getting started, product updates or any other questions regarding 3D scanning, please visit handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.